I'm sorry, guys. Since Amber again, we have caught a bird. She's right here in the back of a car. What? As you can kind of see, it's them.
Her face is like right here.
But yeah, we're trying to get inside. Alright, I'm sorry, but I'm really out of breath because I just rode my bike. But I'm so glad that we caught a bird. Please like on both videos. Part 2. Please like, subscribe, and like, subscribe, share the video. And sorry, but alright, so yeah, I might YouTube some GTA. I just started because I had to redo my account because my account was acting so retarded. I'm inside my house right now. I'm sorry that I have no shirt on, but it's hot, so I don't care what y'all say. I'm gonna get some tea. Y'all can kind of see me. Kind of sweaty. Here's my little sister. She's 21. She's 21. 21. Yeah. Like, look at her. She's 21. And she's so short. That's like how tall I am.
I'm 13 years old.
13? I have a brother that's 13 years old and taller than her. But anyways, let's get back. Let's not get distracted by how tall.
People's this.
Instead on the path.
Where's she at?
My dad has her right there. And her and his shirt.
Everybody get it.
Where's Mom?
Already.
Like the flower bed.
Come on, Tony, go.
Right, yeah.
She gonna hate us.
I might YouTube some PUBG or GTA. Molly, it's okay. You're gonna clip him?
Yes.
Why?
You gotta call. Did that hurt her? She's like, what are you doing? She's like,
Can she still fly?
No.
No.
Molly. No, she can't. Now she could just like. Got this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, she can do. Yeah, but then.
Cause she's an expert flyer. My dad's over here clipping her wings,
She's that bitch.
but she can still fly.
Let me see.
Imagine that. This is my sister.
See how she ain't got her flight?
She's trying to get a job.
She said,
Or
no,
she
not
does have a
today.
job.
Orientation tomorrow.
Yeah.
Why you're telling YouTube that?
I don't
Yeah,
know. Cause I got to live my lifestyle.
Yeah.
Lifestyle.
Oh.
Wait,
She's mad that she's home.
here's her. My dad's trying to clip her wings.
And
in
you
her
only got
cage.
one, and now.
I wonder if she can still unlock this.
Yeah.
She can unlock this.
Yeah.
Not right now, just leave her alone.
Yeah, I know, not right now. But yeah, my dad was just clipping her wings. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and notification if you want to get notified every time I upload a video. Comment down below so you can get a shout out.
So cute.
So thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Shut up, game.